Today, ROTAX released a new mandatory service bulletin titled Inspection and/or Replacement of the Crankcase and/or Gearbox Housing. ROTAX's 900 series fuel-injected aircraft engines, which could lead to reduced component durability and/or potential oil leakage. The service bulletin outlines the necessary steps mounted on the crankcase housing behind the gearbox. 1. ROTAX has switched to a new format and has placed the affected serial number range in Chapter 4. Is listed in the service bulletin. You must contact your local ROTAX authorized distributor. Here's how to find it. Hover or click on the Support Bulletins tab at the top menu bar. If not completed at that time, it must be done within 1 year from the initial issue date of this service bulletin. It is worth noting that hardness testing equipment can be quite expensive, along with any reference materials and supplemental information provided. To perform the hardness test on the gearbox, ROTAX specifies. Here's an example of how to calculate the resulting hardness value during the gearbox inspection, meaning the gearbox is not serviceable. Step 4. Inspection of the crankcase. If either side is found to be unserviceable, the entire crankcase must be replaced. Alternatively, you can proceed to option B, which will be explained shortly, with a maximum allowable difference of 10 HB. Please contact your local ROTAX authorized distributor or their independent service centers to receive further information, which can be found on page 12 of the service bulletin. In this case, proceed to section 3.6 on page 15 of the service bulletin for the next steps. The final step in the process is conducting a test run, as outlined in section 3.7 of the service bulletin. If you'd like to receive critical safety information for your ROTAX aircraft engine, be sure to subscribe to rotax-owner.com. Staying informed ensures you're updated with the latest safety alerts, service bulletins, and essential maintenance information.